Do you know there are 5.68 billion people watching TV or streaming platforms like Netflix or Amazon Prime? And what if you can launch your very own automated live TV channel and tap into this monstrous $324 billion TV industry and grab your own profit share? You see, today with the advancement and growth of technology, the majority of people spend their time on phones, computers, and television. And you know what that means? More and more people are watching TV and streaming services such as Hulu, HBO, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and much more. Look, TV and streaming services are booming right now. 92% of people in the world consume TV video content, and the TV market was valued at $332 billion in 2019 and is estimated to reach $499 billion by 2027. TV subscription revenue models such as Netflix and Amazon Prime are increasing by 57.2% every year. And last year in 2021, the American and European TV industry saw a massive growth of 39.9%. This means the potential to make money in the TV industry is just endless. Don't believe me? Have a look at this real proof. That's 41,890 views in just 30 days on our Health Niche TV channel, which made us $13,482.65 in sales. And here's another 106,890 views in 45 days on our Educational TV channel, which resulted in $51,780.54 in sales. You see, making money with automated live TV channels is a piece of cake. And by following this same exact formula, anyone can generate this kind of cash flow. So what's the secret? How are we pulling it off? Introducing Tvpayz. Tvpayz is the industry's first one-click app that allows you to create automated live TV channels or streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime. And not only that, but Tvpayz also taps into a pool of 443 million viewers. Imagine if you could monetize that giant 443 million viewer traffic with affiliate marketing. Would that change your life? Well, if you could combine the power of TV with affiliate marketing, which nobody is doing, then you'd be able to quickly drive at least tens and hundreds of thousands of views and traffic on your offers or services instantly. And this results in non-stop sales on complete autopilot like this. With Tvpayz, you can quickly flood your wallet by promoting offers from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other platform. After all you have to do is embed your affiliate link to the channel. And the possibilities with Tvpayz are just endless. It comes loaded with mind-blowing features such as, in just one mouse click, you can easily create and host your automated live TV channel in 170 plus different niches such as health, crypto, fashion, education, sports, movies, news, and much, much more. And not only that, Tvpayz also loads your channel with over 2 million plus video content such as trending movies, TV shows, web series, news, sports, and anything else you're interested in. Finally, you're getting a chance to start your very own Netflix and Amazon Prime-like streaming subscription services, and your automated live TV channel also gets free lifetime hosting with full SEO optimization for better Google rankings. And it's not over yet. It even includes some other nail-biting features like content locking, one-click payment integration, social media sharing, email list building, domain integration, step-by-step video training, and so much more. Finally, you're getting a done-for-you system that gets traffic from 443 million viewers. And now, you don't need any domain or web hosting for your channel. You don't need to buy any legal rights. You don't need any knowledge in creating or editing videos. You don't need to put yourself in front of the camera. Heck, you don't even need to do any frustrating work and research. Everything comes done for you with Tvpayz. Finally, you're just 3 clicks away from your laptop lifestyle. Step 1. Click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of Tvpayz. Step 2. Choose the desired niche for your TV channel and instantly load it with 2 million plus video content. Step 3. Publish your automated TV channel with just one easy click and expose it to 443 million viewers. And once we follow these 3 easy steps, targeted views, traffic, and sales flow in like a raging river. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create your very own automated live TV channels with 443 million viewers? No, right? So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full access to Tvpayz just at the price of a cheap burger. However, this discount will not be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 365-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. That being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Tvpayz at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.